everybody, and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for hopping on. This is Patty, and I'm doing some lemon pepper chicken. And this is the chicken here. I've kind of browned it a little. Well, not cook it really well done, but just kind of brown it a little. And the seasonings that I have used are the lemon pepper, salt-free by Mrs. Dash, garlic powder, slap your mama, a little sea salt, little paprika, all-purpose seasoning, white pepper, parsley, and Chef Paul Prudhomme's poultry magic, and some onion powder. And I put like about a couple of teaspoons of everything in there. And this is what you have for the chicken. And also I've squeezed a small lemon in my sauce here that I'm making. And this, I've put some on the chicken already, but I used a stick and a half of pure butter. And I've mixed all these dry ingredients that I've told you about. And also I squeezed the juice out of from a small lemon and put it in here. And this is butter and all of the seasonings with the parsley flakes in it as well. And just about a teaspoon, like I said, of everything. And I've brushed some on my chicken. I'm going to put my chicken in the oven. I have my oven set at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to cover it with some foil and bake it for about 30 minutes on one side. Then I'll turn it and see what is needed. Then I'll put some more of this butter and garlic and parsley that I've mixed up here, so, and all of the seasons. So I will pause right here and come right back. Okay, y'all, Tyler is going to test the dinner, the supper. These are the lemon pepper chicken drumettes and flats. Let the people see what they look like on the inside. Look at that. Put it under the... Oh, they look delicious. How do they taste, Tyler?
They are delicious.
Okay, and this is our supper: mashed potatoes, lemon pepper chicken, and green beans. I'm back, and this is the results of the lemon pepper chicken. It is so scrumptious, and this is the plate that we have plated, and it is really wonderful. Thank you so much for joining. We will talk to you in the next exciting video. Please subscribe, share, follow, tap the notification bell to be reminded of all uploads, and enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye now.